Dahlia, Dharma's daughter born in 2018, has born another baby this year. Which makes the baby count to 3 in Annie's troop before the end of June. What the f- Cora, Lubby's daughter born in 2021, isn't preggy, thank goodness. But her contemporary Deanly is though. Her sister, Rena with her baby. After nearly 2 weeks, I still haven't a clue whether it's a boy or girl yet. Finally, the money shot. It's a girl. Lubby has her first granddaughter. I wish Lubby was here. She disappeared just before the summer of 2023, and has never been spotted since. Lubby was a loving mother, and her daughter has inherited her traits too. There are more babies to come, but probably not before the end of June. I'm glad I have got it over and dealt with. Verdane's troop somehow has appeared not long afterwards. I feel sorry for Mr. Takashi, but I will more than likely to bump into him again on my way back. I'm going to name this baby girl with a name that begins with L, in honor of Lubby. Please leave your suggestions in the comments section below, thank you. I'll have a name ready when I see you next time. Till then. Is it going to rain? There is no doubt to me that Gypsy and Chrissy are working together to raise Kenny. Kenny looks increasingly comfortable with this arrangement. Having said so, this is still a record for Gypsy to pawn her baby off to a babysitter that early on. It can't be good for the baby's confidence as he grows up. For a 1-month-old, Kenny acts more like a 3 to 4 months old. And so off he goes with Chrissy again. Did they spot an intruder or a wild boar in the trees? A false alarm probably. I won't bother you, Gibby. So there you two are again. He is no longer looking for his mum intently in his eyes. I think he has learned the strict regime his mum adheres to. Poor little fellow. Hold on, whose baby is that in there? I can see a sack. That's a boy. Holy moly, that's Kathy. She has given birth to a little boy, Lucy's first grandson, and Lizzie's first great-grandson. Many congratulations. Another dark fellow. I suspect Dimpy, Kathy and Gabby had picked the same guy. No, we are not going to see much action from Dimpy's girl today. Kathy's baby is surprisingly active for its age. Look, there he is again. That's Dimpy's girl from last week. I think the two are half siblings. Our gang is steadily pushing to the road. The baby's grandmom, Tabby. A mother still chases away an older son if he comes too near to his younger sibling. Rosie's younger sister, Alex. Okay, little boy, I have a name for you. You will be called Rory. Sorry that it has taken me that long to give you a name. Welcome on board. Sydney, Stacey's son, the last born in 2023, must have a growth spurt recently. Suddenly he seems a lot bigger to me. His bigger brother Stewie. He has come back from the boy band of Nulla once again. Their mum, Stacey. Stacey's other son, Stanley, is in Nulla's boy band. Joy, Stacey's granddaughter. Joy's mum, Spotty, disappeared alongside with Vivi back in May 2023. I'll leave our gang now. And coming to greet me immediately is Spiky, Dolly's son, born in 2020. And these are the other young boys in Skullhead's boy band, also known as Dopey's boy band. Our gang is hiding somewhere in the forest there. And there's Dinky, Reddy's son, born in 2022. Oops, something seems to be causing them concern. I see, someone's walking with the dog. The most plucked girl of 2024, Sasha with her mum. Not surprising, as it is natural to see Skullhead Troop not far away from their own boy band. Sasha is still trying to nurse. And there is Tina, all by herself since Teeny left the troop just before the beginning of May. Teeny was last seen in the forest over there. Martha has moved to Jubilee Troop, and there are many others missing too. Skull Head Troop is downsizing right before our very own eyes since the beginning of this year. Sugar, it just pours like this all of a sudden. I am stuck now with Skull Head Troop in the hiker's shelter midway. These are mostly members from the utmost echelon in Skull Head Troop. Look, there's Sophia. She is holding a baby. She has given birth after skipping 2024. A mid-ranking member, she has to stay outside. We have Nora's troop further down the road. Fiona, Dora's daughter born in 2020, has popped. And Audrey too. And Nora's baby is still with us after 2 weeks. So a total of 3 babies now in Nora's troop just before the end of May. I can't tell whether Audrey has a boy or girl. But rainy weather is not conducive to gender identification, as a mother will instinctively hold her baby close to her chest to shield against the elements, obscuring any clear view. I have to come back at another time. Let's hope I will bump into them again.